Now we're going to move into the part where we're going to go into our little self-introductions. Like, let's say a minute, my name, the business I have, if I have a website, if you want to share something. Let me go first, like I said, an example. My name is Gabriela. I work at SouthsideFirst. We have a website, SouthsideFirst.org. We're going to be moving offices from Mission Base right now to the South Park Mall. So that's happening next week. And I invite everyone to continue coming to these workshops. What we're doing is we are creating a YouTube channel. So this is the third one. The speakers, their presentations, will be on there. I invite everyone to be a subscriber to our YouTube channel, because in the past, so far, we've had the Small Business Administration come and speak, UTSA, Small Business Development Center, the Police Department, the county. We had a panel of commercial realtors give tips. So we always want to share the information. Thank you so much, everybody. See you at the next one.
Hi, I'm Marcia Anguiano. I own Mission Crafts Chandlery, which is a boutique just up the street from here. My website is www.missionchandlery.com, and I specialize in fragrance products, mostly inspired by the missions is what I'm known for. Happy to be here.
Hello, my name is ARLIN MENDEZ. I am a licensed realtor for over 15 years. I just jumped over to Vortex Realty, and I'm starting my own team. And I'm planning on getting my own brokerage soon as well. So I just created Model A Realty Group, or Model A Realty business name. So I just did my DBA, I was telling you earlier. I also go by the MENDEZ Group. So if you look up MENDEZ Group, you'll find me, my husband, and a whole bunch of pictures. So I'm trying my best to learn more about digital marketing, because I do a little bit here and there, but I really don't know. So I really appreciate all the information you provided. But also, I just wanted to give you a little bit more of my background. I've been born and raised here in San Antonio. I love San Antonio. I love my Hispanic background. My parents raising me the way they have. I've been blessed with the Lord backing me up. And so I'm just here, and I really hope that we all prosper and just learn. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Hi, my name is Ray Martinez. I own Woody Stone and Laser Imaging. I got cards. The website's a little difficult to spell out, but we do a lot of engraving on stone, granite, marble, address stones to monuments, memorials. We do a lot of commercial and government work, but we do a lot of residential as well. We also do awards, trophies, plaques, anything you need for some kind of awards. We make awards out of stone as well, but we do the traditional stuff as well. But I have business cards if y'all care for any, and just look forward to meeting new people. Thank you.
My name is Joe Pena. I work at Frost Bank. I'm the market president for Frost South Market. So I've been with Frost 39 years. So I've been around for quite some time. It's a great organization because this is all I do is work with businesses like yourselves that are either, want to start, want to grow, want to be successful, and it's difficult. Who said it earlier? It's like, okay, I just spend my whole life savings on it, but more often than not, it works out. But it's being an entrepreneur is very, very satisfying. So, and I say that because I've seen a lot of successful ones, and not me. I just try to be there for them. Okay, obviously, I didn't take that leap, but I'd be happy to help them, and that's kind of what I do for the bank. So, anyway, thank you all.
So my name is Juan Solis. I have finished my 16th year with Truist. I'm also a banker. I was Joe was at one time a branch leader like I was. Now he's a market leader. And now my new title is I'm Community Development Manager for the state of Texas for Truist. My job is to work with nonprofits, getting involved and making sure that we address the issues that are in the community. I also get to serve next to Joe as vice chair, but I'm also part of the advisory board with Launch SA, so I sit on both boards actually. We have the opportunity from our perspective to understand what you small business people are going through, right? We walk with you through the whole process, from the very start to the onset, to the wins and the losses. We're there. I try to help you guys with the best advice to get you the best partnerships and connections that you do. Southside First is strictly made with the opportunity to help you, those of us that live on the South Side, right? It's important for us to realize we got three major things happening, right? We got Texas A&M, we have Brooks City Base, and we have Port San Antonio, right? All great successes. We need to make sure everything in between is also successful too. That's why we were created. So thanks again for being here. Look forward to the next one, and tell all your friends and family that we're all here.
Good afternoon. My name is Julia Martinez. I'm with CPS Energy, and I assist the small and medium businesses to find resources throughout the community to help them also find ways to save energy. A lot of our customers look to us to find an opportunity to lower that utility bill, and we have rebates that are designed specifically for the small business. If you're thinking about, well, what makes me a small business, it is what a 3-bedroom home, 2-bathroom would consume in 1 year, which is 100 kW. That is a small business, what it would consume in 1 month. So needless to say, if you don't know how much consumption you have for your business, or you don't even have a brick and mortar that you have currently because you're just starting out, there's other rebates that we have built around that, and we're able to help you with that information. It's great to be here with Southside First to make sure you have all that information. If you can, stop by, talk to me, and let me know what you're interested in. And if there's anything else that we can help you with, I'm here to help.